Are you ready to ditch the repetitive tasks and supercharge your productivity but stuck deciding between Flowise and N8N? Then this video is your ultimate guide to choosing the perfect automation software. We'll dissect Flowise and N8N, comparing their core features, integration options, user-friendliness, and pricing, so you can pick the champion that best fits your needs. First, let's dive into Flowise. Celebrated for its intuitive visual interface, its drag-and-drop functionality simplifies workflow creation. Especially if you're new to automation, notice the extensive pre-built components that streamline tasks like data transformation, API calls, and even seamless chat integrations. Now, let's switch gears to N8N, a robust platform favored for its flexibility and scalability while it also offers a visual editor. N8N shines with its ability to incorporate custom JavaScript functions, giving advanced users granular control. Plus, its integration capabilities extend to a vast array of enterprise-level applications. The crucial question is, which is right for you? Flowise excels with its user-friendly design, making it ideal for beginners and smaller projects. However, N8N's power and scalability make it the go-to choice for complex workflows and large-scale business needs. Don't forget about pricing. Flowise offers straightforward open source and paid hosting plans, while N8N provides a spectrum of options, from free self-hosting to tiered pricing with expanded features and dedicated support. So, whether you value simplicity and speed or need the power of a highly customizable engine, understanding these differences will empower you to select the automation software that perfectly aligns with your specific project and skill level. Now go forth and automate.